Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. In this video today, let's just see 5 interesting genres to improve our reading habits. See, as I've been telling in many videos of mine, reading is very important to improve your fluency. Okay, so if you are looking to develop your fluency in English, it is important to develop your reading habits. See, when I say reading of course it is a quite boring process, okay, I do agree, but you can make your reading more interesting according to your own choice of selection. So in this video, I'm going to just tell you 5 different genres and suggest you some nice interesting books. So let's begin. Yes friends, see, when it comes for reading, of course, when you are new to that language, normally we all read and write our exams these days in English, but that I don't know how well that would help you to speak in this language fluently. When it comes for fluency development, it is really important that you have to develop your reading habits apart from your subject books. See, subject books involve a lot of technicalities in it. So normally you would never bother about the sentence structures. So sentence structures will be more noticed when the book mesmerizes you, when you get more involved in the books. Okay, so do you all remember our childhood days? We normally just take that column of a small comic sessions where you can see a lot of pictures in it. See, the pictures are the most attractive things which just, pulls you to read the content in it. The same way, today I'm going to just give you a suggestion. Let's just go back to our childhood days and just select some books from the comic genre. Okay, so the first genre where I recommend to all the beginners who are looking to develop your reading habits is the comic. Okay, so go to that books like Tinkle. Why not? Okay, so the book is full of colors, full of pictures, but then it will definitely pull you to read what the characters speak to each other. Okay, so like this you just slowly develop your reading. And also it is obviously a comedy story, so that will naturally refresh your mind. So it is simultaneously refreshing your mind and you also get to know the sentence structures. This will unconsciously improve your fluency. Okay, my very first recommendation is the books which are available in Amazon. You can order. The books are called Tinkle. Okay, I'll just put all these names in my description below. You can watch it. So the first genre is comic and you can go for the Tinkle books. The second very important genre is the mystery. Okay, so who says no for the mystery things? Okay, everyone here in this current, you can in this generation, you can either take a person who's doing his college or who's doing his schooling now, or a person who is at home, a homemaker, or working women, or some men in the middle age. Everyone are interested in this particular genre called mystery. It happens for me in the initial days where I felt personally boring about reading. I just selected a small novels. See, it is very important for you to select a novel which contains very less number of pages. Example, if you just select in the initial stage itself, if you just take a huge book, normally you will never be able to complete it. Take some book which are quite small, also you can complete it. Okay, mainly this thrillers and mystery oriented books you see. If when you start reading, you will obviously have no chance of keeping the book without completing it. It will just tempt you like anything. So these are there are some kind of mystery oriented books where I can suggest you in this genre, which is gonna be very helpful. Okay, so the one book where I recommend in this video today is the Goosebumps. Okay, so this is also available in Amazon. It also comes under the mystery, so you can just go and get this book and start reading from today. The third genre is the love and romance. Okay, see, this is also very common. We all need love in our life, isn't it? In the current society, there are many areas where you are unable to express your real opinions and real feelings about the word love, right? So this reading book of romance will obviously, enlightens, or it will just rejuvenate. Okay, so whatever the thoughts and emotions you have in you when it comes for the expressions of love. Okay, so this is all beautifully written. The one nice book where I can recommend you is Twilight. Okay, so don't just judge this book with the movie, just go for it and you will surely go for the next edition in it. Okay, just buy the first season and Twilight, and then you can go for the next one. I'm sure that you will love it. Okay, that contains a very nice sentence structure and it will just hold you. Okay, you will just feel like reading it more and more. Okay, the fourth session today, the fourth suggestion for me from my side is, see, whenever you are just selecting some books, there are some people who always love to read the biographies. Okay, so who always wanted to know the persons whom they inspire a lot, what are their daily habits and what are the 5 successful methods of getting into the business or being successful in their life. There are many people who are more interested in knowing the biography of successful people in day-to-day life. So you can choose many, but then there is one interesting book I can suggest you in this video is Elon Musk. See, Elon Musk is a book where it has been beautifully written about the person. So once you just start to read that book, it will be more inspiring for you. I'm sure that you will love this book. The fifth genre today is the fiction. Okay, so I hope there are many people who are very fond of reading the fiction oriented books. When it comes for fiction, again, it just creates a lot of interest and to know more, that kind of a feeling you'll get. But again, you should just go for a small books. In that genre, I can just suggest you the books like The White Tiger, The Alchemist, also the books of Harry Potter. Okay, there are many small editions available in this. You can go with your choice if you are a person who likes fiction a lot. See, choose your own kind of a taste among those. I have suggested you 5 different genres, but which one fits your mind, only you have to decide. Example, you are a fun loving person, go for the comic books. You are a romantic person, go for the love and romance oriented books. Or if you are a person who always wanted to read about others, how did they become so successful in their life, then go for the biography. Or if you are a person who always likes to read the thriller and mysterious things around something you wanted to know new, in that case you can go for the mystery book, which I told you, the Goosebumps. And at last, the fiction, you have to select according to your choice. The White Tiger is one among the very nice books, and in fact, if you are a Harry Potter lover, you can go for the book The Harry Potter. Okay, so these are my 5 suggestions today. I'll mention all the names of these books below in the description today. So make a note and try to order some book as earliest as possible and start reading. This will definitely help you to improve your fluency. If you like my suggestion, please don't forget to press the like button. Enrich, empower and emerge with English. All the best, friends.